Thank you guys. Live Noobster Berserk XXO coming to you live. You already know what it is. We out here making noise. 50 subscribers. 50 subscribers. I know it's been a while, and I know it's been long getting to that point. But hey, you always, it's not about how you start, it's how you finish. And it doesn't matter how small it is, growth without change is impossible. So we're trying to make some big changes so we can get some big growth. But hey, guys, congrats on 50 subscribers. Thank you all who decided to trust in me and have faith in what I got going on here. Like I said, it's all about fun, enjoying yourself, and just giving you all content that you can all watch, get a laugh at, enjoy, and, maybe even inspire you to try a game out. But yeah, guys, we're going to keep this up. We're going to keep doing our thing. Once again, this Live Noobster about to sign out. I'm here at work, so you know how that works. But yeah, looking forward to some more new content. And keep it coming. Keep them comments, likes, things coming. Spread the word. Let's reach at 100.